So, good morning everyone. My name is Ashley SEPULVEDA from BN11, and our topic for today is about the simple and compound statement. So, our learning objectives for today are: first, define simple and compound statement. Second is to write compound statement using connectives. And the last one is to express simple and compound statements using symbols. Before we begin, let's have an overview of the topic. A declarative sentence is a sentence whose main verb is indicative. A statement is a declarative statement that is either true or false but cannot be both. It is a statement that can be simple or compound. So, what is a simple and compound statement? A simple statement is a statement that conveys a single idea without using any connecting words. It is known as proposition, assertion, or a truth statement. It is also considered as a standalone. Compound statements are made up of two or more simple statements joined by connectives such as and, or, if then, and if and only if. So we have an example here of a simple and compound statement. In our first example of simple statement is the sky is blue, which is its compound statement is the sky is blue and the grass is green. So it is connected by a connective, which is the and. In our next example here of a simple statement is it is raining, and its compound statement is if it is raining, then the ground is wet. The connectives used here is if and then. Connectives. To create a compound statement, connectives like and, or, if then, and if and only if are used. As we see in this table, we have the connectives, its symbols, and the type of statement. In our connective and, the type of statement is conjunction. In or, we have the disjunction, if then, conditional, and if and only if is a biconditional. The symbol of the connective and is an upward V or turn V. For the connective or, its symbol is just like a V. And the connective if then is an arrow, while the connective if and only if is an arrow going both sides. So we have another example here, which is let P and Q represent the simple statements. In our previous example of a compound statement, the sky is blue and the grass is green. The first simple statement is the sky is blue, while the another simple statement used is the grass is green, which if we write in symbols results in this answer here, which is the conjunction. In our next example, if it is raining, then the ground is wet. The first simple statement used is it is raining. The second simple statement is the ground is wet, which in result, if we write it in symbols, results here that we uses the conditional connective. Another example we have here is first the simple compound the light is on, and its compound statement either the light is on or the battery is dead. It uses the connective or the disjunction. The second one is the simple statement I am studying, while the compound statement if I am studying, then I will pass the exam. The connectives used here is if then, a conditional. The last one is simple statement the earth revolves the sun, and the compound statement the earth revolves around the sun if and only if the laws of physics hold. The connective used here is if and only if biconditional. So that's all. Thank you for listening.